absolutely murdered. Flushed. Cardinal fans knowing. Here's one into left center field. Back at the track. He's got another. And more respect. It's 2 home runs. And he hits me. And here goes one into left. How about 3 on the night in a row? In the air to right center field. This ball is down and off the wall. 1 run scores. Young. Here's Cruz. And it's 4-2 Texas in the 8th.
Delay. But if you joined us for the opening, I guess minute and a half of our broadcast, I said to Tom, what they have tonight, Texas Tech, is a passer's chance. Guess what? The passer came through, didn't he? Sure did. Wow. Upset time in Norman. The 39-game home winning streak, longest in the country, goes by the boards. And a happy group of Red Raiders. They pull off the shocker. They shake up the BCS. They knock off number 3 Oklahoma. Let's go down to Holly with a happy coach.
Colston comes in motion to the near side. Here's Breeze throwing into the end zone, leaping grab, and it is made by Marcus Colston. Marcus Colston goes up, brings it down for his 2nd touchdown reception in the last 2 games.
Just at the line of scrimmage. Tebow's under center this time. Design roll to the left side. Tebow sets, throws, backside. This is going to be Fells. Fells is going to walk into the end zone. Denver touchdown.
This for a win. 52 yards. He got it! Denver and Tebow have won! Unanswered points. Tebow 2 touchdown passes. And
trash talking the quarterback. Why? I'm not even near their quarterback. So how am I going to trash talk somebody that has a medical staff that's all around him? That's their own problem. If you look at that play, I didn't cause his quarterback to come down. LJ, who was the closest man to him, and Corey didn't cause the player to go down. Myself and Cliff were standing next to each other. If you look at it, to me, it's karma. For all the best that they've done in the past, their offensive linemen hurt their own quarterback.
In the shotgun, hands out, takes a snap, looking left all the way, slant, deflected, intercepted by Kansas City's McGraw. John McGraw, 5th pick of the game for Kansas City. This is at the 8-yard line. And the Chiefs might have indeed broken the Raider will.
Romo on a delay, hands off to Murray, DeMarco Murray. Going all the way for the touchdown. 91 yards for the score.
There's the snap, the placement, the kick. It's on the way, and it is good! What do you mean miss? Scobie doesn't miss. 3 50-yard field goals in this ball game for John Scobie.